This was my first time to attend the speedcubing competition. This competition was organized by World Cube Association just for beginners and took place in Edinburgh. I haven't played a Rubik's Cube for a while. One day I went to my neighbor Dylan's home and I saw a Rubik's Cube in his living room. I helped him solve it very quickly. Dylan and his parents were amazed. A few days later, Dylan's mom told my mom about this competition and encouraged me to join in. So my mom registered a place for me at the last minute. We arrived here very early and everything was set up. I've never used a speedcubing timer before, and a really nice boy showed me how to use the timer. The competition began and I gave my cube to the scramblers. Then I waited for my name to be called out. There were so many people, some the same age as me, some older, and even some adults. My first solve took me longer than usual. It was too noisy, so I messed up. But my second and third solves were usual time. My best time was 53 seconds and average of 5 was 1 minute 5 seconds. I couldn't go to the second round, but I was happy with my results and really glad to join the competition and see other kids play cubes. That day was very sunny and we went to Portobello Beach afterwards. I had a slushie and played in the sand and the sea.